Hi guys, I'm Josh Shapati Valentin. I'll be playing this Minecraft. This Minecraft called NPC mode. We play NPC mode. Go guys, it's very easy mode. This is greater mode. It is who's this? Guardian of jail? Whoa, guard, this is my guardian, man. Wow, that is cool. Wow, where is it? Where's my friend? Where's friend Noel? No, where's him? Huh? Ian. His name is Ian. Where is Noel, Ian? I don't know where is this Noel. Oh, yes! This is Noel. He's just... Wow! It's Noel. Woo! He's blessed. Mr. Mod. Okay. Will be this mod, how to use it, this mod. Go man. This is full video. This is one thing. Go. First go to this way. This is Castile. This is Seth Rollins. This is Rollins. Okay. First we do is Linux. And name is John. John Hole. What is kind of thing? Mr. Dragon, dwarf male, elf female, elf male, and Ender Chippy Fury. And skeleton, and big skeleton. Whoa! See? He's skeleton, and to select what is kind of skeleton is this? What is it? His king skeleton. This is great, man. Or golden skeleton, or bloody skeleton, or ancient skeleton. Blah. And choose skeleton warrior. Go back and select what is charis you want in this, and choose this. Okay, and finish guys. And what is show, hide name, or show and talk name, or no, I'm just show and state. What health is it? It's 90 for me, and my creatures 10. Miss hide is major is 70, and edit. What is trained is it? I'm sure 500. Melee range, impulse 200, melee speed 100, knock 100, and done. Indeed, edit. What is percent in it? Choose 100%. Choose 100%. Choose 100%. And the one is will be 500. There will be 0. What do you want? And 1. No. Bow. Done. Edit. What power is it? 4. I'm just 90. Size 90. Speed 90. Punch 9. And yes, fire, smoke, done. And this is great. This is great. And I'm choose melted, panic, trade, nothing. And break the door, open the door, shit. Open the door, standing, no. Wandering, and choose 100. 100 I will choose. And normal, sneaking, man. What is char sneaking? Oh, funny man. I don't know, sneaking, aiming. Why is aiming, bitch? I don't know. I and dancing. Whoa, dancing, cool. Woo, dancing. Normal. Sneaking, aiming, dancing, normal. How is it? Can swim? Yeah. Yes. Sneaking is here. Disabled. Mostly target. Yes. And avoid the water. No. Inventory. What do you want to give him a sword? I will give him a sword. No, I will not give him a sword. I will give him some bow and sword. What? This is cool. This is cool, bro. This is cool, whatever. And stage inventory. And this is cool, man. Oh. Woohoo! Mine 100 or 100. Yes, you have to kill him. What is XP will come out in him? Advance. What is trader? What is trader? Trader follower. Speak follower. Choose this 9. Choose this 9. Choose this 9. Guys, no job. Bard. What is bard? Healer. Guard. Guard is it? Global. What is global, bang? This is cool fiction. Go. This is finish. This what size him and choose what for. This is very small. Oh no, oh, it's just very small. 5 only. 5. That is finish. And click him higher. Finish. She could follow you forever, man. It's Seth Rollins. This is crazy bitch nigga. I don't know. Hire. I will hire him to be my self. Castiel, Angel Castiel. What is going on? Wait, Angel Castiel, come here. Angel, hire. Go. And either enjoy watching this video. And this is, whoa, what is this? This is Lord Lore. This is cool. I don't know what is. This is dragon. This is biggest dragon you ever seen. And she's my guard. No. Where is it? Eric. Where is Lord? Yeah, it is. Eric. It's just 29 and she's 30. 31. Think. And here in this working max XP advanced follower and guard. She's my boss. Guard only. That and that guy is just finished. And what will happen to him? His big man will hire him. He's the coolest dragon. He's the coolest dragon I've ever seen. And this too. Okay, let's finish. And guys, this is the biggest dragon I've ever seen. This and hire to be my guardian of Jehel. And where is it? Noel and and Aiden. Look at this. This is Noelle. This is Noelle, guys. She's cool, man. Noelle, higher. Ethan, higher. You're good, man. This is cool mod. I was. Oh, you have no sword. Wait. E. Guys, this is finished. Be stranger. Where is the team? Where's this Aiden? Aiden. Right here. Aiden. Edit. And I will change him 30 life, 30, and walking speed. Okay. Normal. Oh, sneaking, dancing, normal. Disable inventory. France. No, I am just in life. What is it? Bank, transporter, no rule, trader. Bank, this bank, no transporter. Guard. Bank. The supporter is a school, man. The full name is called I'm Joshua Patibandi, and your fall back friendly yeah, let's finish. This is my house, guys, and this is Lord Lure. She's the boss only. She's not guardian. Yeah, PC mod. Lord Lure, friendly. She's 30 biggest I've ever seen. She's better follower, no rule. She's a boss, man. Big boss. Ooh, this is Lord Lure. To be the powerful dragon you ever seen. She's a big, man. She is a 3 feet. This is it's cool. Okay, guys, I'm back again next time to my part 2. Guys, bye. Okay, guys. Hello, guys. I'm Joe Shapati Valentin. You've seen all of this mod, NPC mod. This is cool mod. And guys, next time again for another video. Cool video. It's called NPC mod mods. You don't know, you subscribe and like and comment. Guys, what do you think? This is cool mod or this is bad mod? Go, guys. Bye. See you next time in my part 2 of NPC mod. Bye, guys.